So in this video today I'm going to show you how to make a wild garlic pesto. So we are in wild garlic season at the moment and lots of people are foraging for this wonderful ingredient. It looks and smells amazing, not as strong as garlic that we use, that we know, but it's very fragrant and grassy as well. So I'm going to whiz that up with some seeds and maybe some lemon juice and olive oil, a little bit of chili in there, and then I'm going to put it in a jar, and you can keep that for up to a week in the fridge, and you can whack it onto chicken or fish or even run it through some pasta and it'll be super delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.
So we start with our ingredients. So our ingredients, we've got our wild garlic leaves, we've got some extra virgin olive oil, we've got some seeds, a mix of seeds in there, we've got some chili flakes if you want to add, that's optional, we've got some lemon, and we have got some pine nuts. Simple, like 5 or 6 ingredients. Next in goes your seeds, and then a really good, healthy, good glug of extra virgin olive oil in there. And then you kind of want to blitz it all up. Then you add in your pine nuts towards the end and some seasoning as well, and give that a final blitz until you've got a really gorgeous green looking mixture. Pour that all into a clean jar, and then you can pop that in the fridge and use it when you want to. It smells amazing, and you can keep it for up to a couple of days at its best. Hope you guys enjoy this video.